So guys, this week I made some high protein, low carbohydrate red curry stir fry. Recipe guys, it only took me 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure your entire family will love this as a side dish. You can of course have it with some basmati rice, but I've made this main dish as a high protein using 3 different kinds of protein and low carbohydrate. So if you're following any kind of low carbohydrate kind of eating, this is perfect for you. So if you're ready, grab a piece of pen and paper and then find out what you need. So here's what you need. You need a tablespoon of crushed garlic, half red onions, about 1 tablespoon of red curry paste, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of honey. I've also got a teaspoon, actually got 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, some red chilies, got 1 red capsicum here. Feel free to add in more veggies. Got some holy basil. If you don't have holy basil around your area, then sweet basil will do. King prawns, some snapper fillets, and some chicken breast. So if you're ready guys, let's get started. So first things first, you need to heat a non-stick skillet with the extra virgin olive oil and start cooking the onion, garlic and red chilies. Stir fry it until the fragrance really rises up, and it'll take you about a minute or 2. Then add in the red curry paste. For the red curry paste, you just need to chop it up and make sure you stir in completely so it mixes in with the onion, garlic and chili. Takes about a minute. Once you're done that, add in the chicken breast first. So we're using 3 different protein. The chicken will take a little bit longer to cook, probably about 6 to 8 minutes. So add that in first, stir fry it and make sure it's cooked, and then add in the prawns, stir fry it, and add in the snapper fillets. Mix it all up together. So when you are cooking the snapper fillets, the fillets might even break down, which is totally fine. Once you've done that, add in the fish sauce, a cup of water, and the honey. Stir fry it all together until it's well mixed. Finally, add in the basil leaves and the red capsicum. And then stir fry it all up until it's well mixed, probably for another minute or 2. Once you've done that, remove from heat and build your meals. And it's all done. Cheap, fast, and nutritiously Asian. What's up guys, Akila here from Asian Meal Prep, and I have just launched a Kickstarter project to make the very first Asian Meal Prep recipe book complete with a fitness and nutrition guide, and I need your help to make this project come to life. Make sure you back me on Kickstarter at mealprep.asia/Kickstarter, and I'm really looking forward to produce the very first Asian Meal Prep recipe book for all of us. Thanks for being here guys, and I will see you next week with a brand new cheap, fast and nutritious Asian meal prep video. Have a great weekend.